Hey guys, it's Ronnie, and today I'm going to show you how to stop your brakes from squeaking. If you want to stop your brake squeal from happening, you'll need to first understand why your brakes are squealing, which can depend on a variety of factors. A constant squeal when pressing the pedal can be the brake pads that are worn down to the wear indicators. If the squeak is less drastic, it could be a sticking caliper slide causing the pads to drag on the rotors, old, worn-out brake hardware, pad clips, or lack of lubrication on pad clip contact points. Let's get started. It's important that the brake hardware is changed every time you change your brake pads. This means changing the pad clips, removing, cleaning the slide pins, and replacing the pin boots if they are cracked or damaged. In some cases, your brake pads are the issue. Whether your brakes contain contaminants, have simply worn down over time, or have become glazed, replacing them can solve your issue. I recommend replacing the rotors with new pads as well as new hardware. If you are reusing your old rotors, be sure to get them machined and resurfaced. New brake pads may squeak during their first few uses. However, the sound should go away after a while. As we mentioned previously, another reason your brake pads are squeaking may have to do with a lack of lubrication between the contact points on the edge of the pads where they meet the pad clips and caliper. Be sure to lubricate those and the slide pins. Make sure you clean them with a wire brush or Scotch pad and clean the pin bore in the caliper hanger with a wire bristle bottle brush. If you get a drill bit just slightly smaller than the bore size of the pin, you can scrape that hard-to-get stuff out. Simply run the drill bit down in the hole by hand to help loosen up some of the caked-on rust and gunk. Then rinse out with brake parts cleaner. Once done, reapply the brake lubricant to the pin and bore. Keep in mind that in some cases, it simply has to do with the brake material your brake pads are made of. However, if you take care of all your brake maintenance and still find that you have issues with your squeaky brakes, you may want to consult a professional mechanic for additional help. If you need help finding a shop, stop by your local AutoZone and ask for their shop referral program. And that's it for Squeaky Brakes. For more videos, watch our channel and be sure to like and subscribe.